All right, this is Clap by Steve Howe from Yes. Let's get on into it. So that's kind of a live intro. It's gonna have a hammer into the open to 1 on the G string with the E bass and the little E string at the same time. And then we're gonna go to the 2s on those same strings and then the 3s. Kind of slide up. We're gonna get into this main part. We have a little picking pattern here. It's D string, little E, and then the G and B at the same time. So we got a G shape down there, D with the F sharp bass, and an A, always doing the same string. So we got we're gonna have the D bass and then the 2nd and 3rd strings together with a 3 on that 2nd string there. So then we're gonna have opens D, B to G right there. So okay, so all together we got. Okay, now we're gonna have a new part, 3 and 5 down here on the bottom 2 strings with A bass. And then we're gonna go D to the 2 over here. So we have D to the 2 on the 2nd string, then A bass to the 3, and then D bass to B bass. So it's okay, kind of crazy, but when it happens fast, it sounds good, right? Okay, and this is also my version, so I don't hybrid pick it like he did. He had the pick over here and he uses other fingers. This is kind of my version from doing it from like 30 years. Okay, so some things will be a little bit different, but you're gonna get all your main parts pretty much covered here. So let's look at that again. We got okay, then we're gonna pop back in again. Now we have a new part. We're gonna go. Okay, so we're gonna have the 9. This is a F sharp 7, 9, 8, 9, 7. We're gonna have the 9 and the 8 up here, and then we're gonna go to the 2nd string up there. So we got. Okay, so we're gonna have 9 and 8 down to that 7 on the 2nd string. We're gonna jump that bass up to the 9 on the big string, and then we go down the string, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th string. So. Then on the second part of this, we're gonna go 9 with the 7 on the 2nd string at the same time. And we go down the strings and back to the 2nd string. We jump that bass up again, and we hit that 9 right before we change to 8 to 7 over here. So it's okay. We got the 8 to 7. And we're gonna do the 9 on the 5th string with the 7 on the 1st string. Okay, so we have the big 7th fret with the 9 and 10 coming in after that. The 9 hits with the 7. Then we're gonna have the big 5 over here with the little 9 down there. And then A7 chord, A flat 7, G7, little 3 right there. So let's look at this part again. We got. Okay, then we're gonna have. Okay, so we have a little 3, and then we have the 5 on the bottom with the big 3 in the bass. We hit it again and slide up to 7. Then we have the 2 on the A string with the little 5 down here. We get into a B minor 7 chord right there. Okay, so we got. Okay, so kind of have it like a down, up, down. And then we have a big 3 here, and then we have the D string and the 2nd string, getting that open in 3 there. So, and then we're gonna go back to the bass, and then we're gonna pull off this little number here. We got 4 and 5. We got 4 in the G string, 5 on the B. That 5 is pulling off to a 3 there. So we got. We're gonna hit that bass again. Kind of alternates between that bass. So we kind of bend those both up just a little bit, right? So we got. Go back to the bass and then do a da dee and then we're gonna go bass again. Little bends up again. So we end up doing that like twice there. So it's. Okay, then we're gonna get into this. Okay, so this is a cool part. We're going to slide into the 7th fret of the D. We're going to have a 7 also on the B string. We're going to have a 5 on the G string there, and then that's going to come out a little bit. So we got... Okay, so it's 3 notes, 7, 5, 7, and then 7, open, 7, back to 7, 5, 7, 7, open, and then we do another 2nd string 7 to the 7 on the D string. So it's... Then our next part's going to go 5 on the D string with 2 on the 2nd string. Okay, so it's 5 to the 2, 4 to 2, back to 5 to 2, to 2 to 2. Then we're going to have 4, 2, 0, double pull off on the G string. Then 2 down to 2 on the 2nd string. And then the same thing on that D string. 4, 2, 0, 2 to the open B string that time. Okay, so let's take a little quick review. We had that first part. Okay, and then we switch to this thing. Okay, then we're back. And then we jump to this one over here, this F7. And we got that 8, 7, 9, and 7. Okay, then we're getting ready for our sliding in. And one of the tricks to get the timing on this is as soon as you slide in, there's no pause. Like after that slide, you just get rolling on the finger picking. And then we have this other part with the 5 and 2. Okay. And then we start back up on this riff. Okay, and then the second time, we go back to this part. Okay, now this time when we do this thing, we just do one extra set of that. And then we're going to get into this cool walking up riff. We got... So that's D string, and then 2, 3, 5. We're going to do that twice through the 3-note thing. And then that 5 is going to slide to the 9. And we have 5, 7, and 9. So it's... We go into 11, 10, and 8 there. Okay, so we got... And if you keep the pinky on that 11, it actually helps you out because you got to go 14, 12, and 10 down here. So we got... That last one's going to go... Okay, so... And now this is getting into the second page of the tab, so we got... So this is going to be 10 on the 5th string to 12 on the G string, 13 on the little E, switch the bass to the big string, and switch to 12 and 12 over here. So we got... And they're kind of staccato, kind of quick hits. We got 13 and 12, D up, D down. So that's 2 to open, 1 and then 1 to open, 2 to open on the G. And that was 3, 4 on the D to that 2 on the G. Do that twice. And go 3 to 2. We're going to get into a G7 chord after that. That'll be in the next lesson. Okay, so coming back to this thing, we got... Let me get that. Okay, we're going to resume with the next lesson on that G7 chord. Be sure to look at the tabs, and we'll talk to you soon.